Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Smalay Philippines. It's Sunday afternoon. We're here in SM Clark, Pampanga. So we're gonna show to you all store or new store here in the backside of SM Clark. So let's go.
Also, this side have restaurant and Alfamart.
Yes, have Romantic Baboy here for unlimited, and also have Alfamart here if you want buy some like simple food.
Romantic Pig, we already show is Romantic Pig. But another side, maybe you don't know what restaurants have.
This is for
Oh, stores.
yes, stores.
This site is so many stores. But here, restaurants. Also have free parking. Maybe someone don't know. This parking free. And this parking, it's pay 20 peso. Pet Express. All for animals, for pets. For
Even
dog,
grooming
for cats.
also. Like grooming, clean the dogs like this.
Yes. Barber shop for dogs.
Yes.
Barber shop for dogs. So many dogs. I don't know how much cut for dog cut hair.
Maybe it's 1,000 to 1,500.
How much you cut hair, Shaira, in the walking street, near walking street? About
150.
150.
And also this,
But dog and cat 1,000, Shaira.
it's okay.
Okay. Korean restaurant. Maybe someday need to check.
Yes.
Unlimited?
It's unlimited.
Unlimited? And another also unlimited. Feast and fire. So for children 300, for adult prices 600. Many people inside. This is new restaurant. Before I not
Yes.
seen, because you know this site is parking.
So it's bistro.
Bistro. Bistro, not so many people inside.
Have also Subway here.
Where Subway? Ah, yes.
Subway.
Subway.
But this one cheese. Everything but cheese.
Who like cheese?
Yes.
Mac and cheese. Also good. Oh, we can take a look how much. Interesting one. How much inside? Let's go inside. Mac and cheese place. Good afternoon. We take a look price. $3.99, $1.79. Cheese bar, 150. Oh, it's good. For 5 persons, 800 peso for 5 persons. It's good restaurant. Maybe someday we can sit here. Yes, cheese. Also here. Nice.
Their minimum is 179.
Yes, 179 is minimum.
Yes. But they have cheese bar almond cheese bar it's 150 to 50 pesos.
Okay, let's go check another. Subway, you already know.
Yes.
Subway.
That's good sandwich also here, but expensive only.
Expensive.
Yes.
For Filipino, it's expensive.
Oh,
Stevenson pizza. It's pizza.
pizza.
How much pizza?
Its minimum they have is 559.
Minimum 200 peso. It's minimum.
No, it's only bread.
Bread.
Yes, but if for pizza, it's 559.
Okay.
Maybe it's 8 slice.
Tiger sugar. It's
Yes.
Chinese
It's
restaurant.
milk tea.
It's milk tea.
Yes.
Yes, it's milk tea, really. Minimum 110. 110 is minimum.
110.
Yes, 110. Lemon golden black. Oolong tea with boba. I don't know what is boba.
It's boba, the black one you drink.
What is
The pearl, but it's boba only.
its name of is boba?
Boba.
DJ Boba. Okay. Maybe soon open this for bike shop. Maybe I don't know. Maybe not. You can check. What is? It's Decathlon. Decathlon is very good shop. Before in China, I always bought in Decathlon. It's good. Decathlon Philippines. I think its price in the Philippines a little bit low. Yes, Decathlon. Also, you can shop online. I think now Decathlon PH shop online. I will check. Also cookies maybe. Donuts. Filipino like donuts. Also cake. This is place is cake and donuts. In May 23, Italian kitchen will open. May 23. May 23.
Shakira. Oh,
Chupacabra. Chupacabra. This is Chupacabra. Shara, do you know who is Chupacabra?
no.
You don't know? Oh, I also don't know. No, I think this is Chupacabra. This is Chupacabra. Mexican. No, American who been in Mexico, they know. Maybe someone in comment they say Chupacabra. Who is
Oh, they have also, what is this? Drinks also
Strawberry.
here.
So minimum is 100 is coffee.
Coffee.
Chun chun coffee. Chun chun.
It's coffee also. This part.
Foam coffee. Foam coffee also good.
So most of this part is coffee and
Cake.
cakes.
Another side is restaurant. Another
Yes.
side. Today good weather, not cold, same like before. You little bit cold already, but now it's okay. but only nighttime
It's
cold.
more colder.
In our place more cold. So guys, we already watched these restaurants and shops in this place. We will go into the SM inside and maybe we will eat. I don't know, Shaira, where you want to eat?
Anywhere.
Chupagabra, Shaira.
No.
Back of you is home of street taco. Mexican food. Okay, we will go. Maybe we can show in this video more.
So we're going to inside Clark right now. Let's go.
Inside SM Clark.
Yes.
Not Clark, it's SM City Clark.
Same only.
Good afternoon. Oh, it's birthday.
Yes, it's birthday.
In restaurant, weekend, so many people.
But this egg stuff, it's popular also.
I know, before you always bought here.
No, I not bought.
Why? This is
not the same.
Goncha. Yes, sorry,
Goncha.
Goncha. Goncha, it's you like Goncha.
Yes.
Even we been in Hong Kong, you drinks, but cold in Hong Kong this time.
Yes.
Yeah, Goncha. So many popular. Coffee, juice.
But if you want, if you go with your family, better Ikabud. Because it's
Ikabud.
good. Yes, it's good food.
In Kabut,
They have set A for 1,400. It's chicken barbecue 3 pieces, stuffed pusit 2 pieces, crispy pata 1 pieces, and rice. So
sorry.
it's good price for that food.
But I think need order in advance or not.
It depends because sometimes even it's Monday, it's so many people here.
No, I think we can't need booking table because
Yes.
how?
Like reserve,
Yes, reservation.
New York Supreme.
Also chicken pasta. Also Mexican restaurant.
But before we eat here, I don't know the other side.
I would looking inside this cafe.
Yes.
Oh, cinnamon already here. It's new Shaira. Before don't have.
They have also cheesecake here.
Cheesecake?
Now they said the cheesecake.
Yes, cheesecake. How much cheesecake? Let's take a look. Shaira like cheesecake.
Maybe inside have
Where?
cheesecake inside.
Inside. Yes. I don't know. This cheesecake is 635 peso. It's minimum price. Susis is cheapest cheesecakes.
Yes.
Susis?
Yes.
Yes, have in the SM Clark.
Yes, have also.
Near hypermarket.
But I don't know if they have cake there.
I remember we bought it in Susis
Palabok.
Palabok.
It's famous noodles here in Philippines, Palabok also.
I know. I always find Palabok in
But if
in
you want,
Jollibee.
but if you want some palabok, good palabok in Susis, better.
In Susis, so many palabok, but without shrimp.
They have shrimp also and meats.
Adidas. I will take a look, Adidas. Maybe have new letter. Shoes, you want also find shoes?
Yes.
No, take a look right now. You can go to inside Sam store. Take a look. No, really, so many people today.
Oh,
I think expensive, yeah. No, it's for birthday, it's okay. But if you want eat cheesecake every day, I think it's a little expensive. Shara, did you try it before?
no, no, no.
Never. And you don't
Never.
want?
Never.
Really don't want? Don't want to try?
I don't know.
When I was
scared.
young, I always
Of
play.
course, in your place it's have what is this?
Yes, it was
Snow.
cold in our place, in my place, before my place. How much? Ice skating, how much? 200 peso, 1 hour. Okay. I have 30 minutes, 150 peso. Shaira, do you want?
No,
Don't want. Okay. But why you don't like?
I'm scared.
You can take something in the front, you hold and okay.
If I go there, better we go. Okay? Together.
Together? Who can take video, Shaira?
I don't know.
I want to take video how do you play. Okay, next time. Jollibee is full. So we go into a SM store, you want to find shoes.
Yes. Because I have pain right
It's
now
not
here.
comfortable for you this,
Yes.
but it's new.
Yes. But I have scratch.
You
already.
remember we bought maybe 3 months ago, and you cannot use.
I cannot use it even maybe little bit time only, maybe 2 to 5 minutes. It's already pain in my feet.
Okay, we can find another. But Shaira, you need to choose good. Inside little bit cold. Because before hot, now cold. If I home. Shaira, not cold for you?
I have jacket.
Good. Sale, even right now have sale.
Tingin muna.
Yes, I think it's better.
But this
Okay.
also have.
This color is not for Philippines, Shaira. No, take a
But
look.
if have black, it's better.
I think it's better. Okay, Shira tall, more maybe 8 centimeters.
So
Okay,
you
you
buy
take
this
this
one?
one. It's your size. You can buy. How much?
It's 699, but it's good.
700. No, it's okay. Okay.
Danay na.
Okay, you take new.
Okay?
Yes, good, good.
Sakto lang na.